In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a bank account in Xero step by step. If you've been wanting to tidy up your finances by removing old or unused accounts in Xero, pay close attention and we'll walk through this process together. The first thing you'll need to do is log into your Xero account. To get started, head over to the Xero login page. Enter your login credentials, typically your email and password, and once you've done that, you'll be taken straight to your dashboard. This is your main control center on Xero, and from here, we're going to navigate to the specific menus needed for deleting a bank account. We begin by opening the accounting menu. Look to the top menu on your dashboard and click on Accounting. This will open up a drop-down list of options. From this list, select Bank Accounts. This section is where you can view all the bank accounts currently linked to your Xero account. Next, find the bank account that you intend to delete. This might take a moment if you have many accounts listed. Once you've located it, look for the Manage Account dropdown beside that particular account. Clicking here will show various account management tasks available to you. Before proceeding with the deletion, you need to ensure your account status is all clear. This means making sure that all transactions connected to this account are reconciled. Furthermore, it's important to check that the account is not being used in any bank rules, repeating invoices, or set as a default payment account. Xero requires these conditions to be met, else the option to delete the account will be unavailable. Now that you've confirmed the account's readiness, it's time to delete. Again, click Manage Account, which will bring up the menu. From here, select Delete. Xero will prompt you to confirm that you truly want to delete the account, so you'll need to go ahead and confirm that action. Once you've completed the deletion process, the final step is verification. You should notice that the deleted bank account no longer appears in your bank accounts list. It's worth noting that while the account itself is removed, past transactions connected to that account will remain in Xero. This ensures all historical financial records are preserved for your records and any compliance needs you might have in the future. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a bank account from your Xero account. This process not only helps keep your financial data tidy, but also ensures that your accounting software reflects your current banking arrangements. If you have more accounts to manage or any other questions, feel free to navigate the Xero platform for more helpful features and information. Thank you for watching.